Today we're making some USDA choice beef ribs from Costco on the Traeger. We're not going to do a binder on these, we're just going to season them and throw them on the Traeger and see how it goes. Gonna do some salt and pepper. I want them to cook longer, about 200-ish. So I'm going to put them in some brown sugar, some butter, put a little honey on there. I'm going to wrap them up in the foil, cook them the rest of the way. Put the meat side down on butter. Both exactly the same. Alright, so I took it off. Get ready to put some barbecue sauce on it. I'm just going to brush a little bit on each one of them. I'm just using a sweet honey barbecue sauce. And then I'm going to throw it back on the barbecue for a little bit to let this sauce set. Once we get this part done, I'll come back to you and I'll show you the final result. Throw it up there. Break that out. Grab a piece from down here. Try to get nice and straight. Got a little bit of smoke on there. Looks super juicy. Nice smoke ring on there. Wow. That's delicious. Ended up very well. Thanks for watching.